Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're baking a wholesome flourless bread made with red lentils. It's high in protein, gluten-free, and incredibly satisfying. Let's get started. First, add 1 cup of red lentils into a bowl and submerge them in boiling water. Let them soak for 1 hour. This softens them up and makes them perfect for blending. After soaking, drain and rinse the lentils thoroughly. This helps remove any excess starch and gives a better texture. Now place the soaked lentils into a food processor. Add 3 eggs, half a cup of Greek yogurt, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and 1/2 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Blend until smooth and creamy. This will be your batter. Next, add 1½ tablespoons of baking powder. Blend again for just 10 seconds to mix it in. Over-mixing with baking powder can actually deflate the batter. So we keep that last mix short and gentle. Line a mold or loaf pan with parchment paper and pour in the mixture. Smooth out the top and sprinkle with sesame and black seeds for that beautiful nutty crust. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. And here it is, golden, fluffy, and full of flavor. Perfect on its own, or as a base for your favorite toppings. If you enjoyed this healthy bread recipe, give us a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching Heaven's Kitchen. See you in the next delicious recipe.